How to edit videos like Algrow. Which video editing software do he use? So if you want to know everything about Algrow's video editing, then make sure to watch the rest of this video. Algrow channel was created on March 4, 2021, and within a month it has crossed over 50k subscribers. The main reason behind his insane growth is his channel management and video editing. Like you, I am also a fan of his video editing, and if you want to know how to edit videos like him, then watch this video till end without skipping any part. So if you do so, then you will get everything about Algrow's video editing, that is stock footages, background music and video editor, used by him. So now let's begin with our main topic of today's video. If you are audience of Algrow, then you may have noticed that he uses various stock footages in his video. They are a type of B-roll in your video. Using such B-rolls in your video leads to increase in the audience retention and watch time. As your video gets a boost, it goes viral. So if you also want to use such footages in your video, then I will show you how to download them and how to use them in your video with license. So to download free stock footages, you may go through various websites that provide free footages for commercial purpose, such as Pixels, Pixabay, Videezy and my most favorite, Mixkit. If you want list of all such websites with provided links, then I have already made a dedicated video on it. You will find the link on I button and description box below. So now let us know how to use them in our video. So before using footages in your video, you must check out license and terms of the website. If it's free to use, then no issue, you can directly use them in your video. But if they ask you for a proper credit, then you must follow the steps given by them and give a proper credit. Also make sure to copy the disclaimer to your description. To download disclaimer text file, link is in the description box below. So now let's move to our next part, that is background music. Algrow uses various background music from Mixkit website. Mixkit provides you free background music with a free license. So you can visit the Mixkit website and download free music. But it is not necessary to use the same background music like Algrow from Mixkit website. But also there are many other websites like SoundCloud. There are also many YouTube channels that provide no copyright sound. You will find the link of some of the channels in the description. So now let's move to our next part, that is video editor used by Algrow. I already have my experience on the video editor that Algrow uses. By watching the effects and animation in Algrow's video, I came to know that he is using the same software. But I am not sure about the version of that software. So I asked him about and that I got the answer. So the video editor used by Algrow is Wondershare Filmora 9. But it doesn't matter if you use Filmora 10 or Filmora Pro, as they both come with extra features. You will find the same effects and transitions as well. You can download this software from the official website of Wondershare Filmora. Note that this software is not free and you are supposed to buy it. But if you use cracked software, then it is at your own risk. And if you want to learn all effects and motion graphics like Algrow, then there is a YouTube channel named Don Filmora Tutorials where you can learn video editing. And if you want to know how to make thumbnail like Algrow, then click on this video and watch out.